All right, hello everyone. Welcome back. If you've been on my channel before, this is Luke in the Woods. Here we are today. Me and my buddy are doing a kayak and backpacking trip. So we have all of our backpacking gear loaded up into dry bags, and we are just kayaking out into the wilderness to try and find a place to camp for the next few nights. We got nice views, so I think we found our home for the next few days. Very good. All right, and lots of area to explore too. We can set out on foot and go and check it out, but I think this will be our house, our home. Love it. All right, let's go have a little dip. Oh yeah, doesn't feel bad. Oh man. Okie doke, so for tonight for dinner we're having some chili and some mac and cheese, and I also have some of these chicken sausages from Trader Joe's, so I'm going to slice up and throw into the chili. Water is all boiled. I'm going to just dump this in here. Try not to burn myself. Oh yes sir. Oh yeah. Alright, then we just stir it. Oh! I knew that was going to happen. Son of a bitch. Alright, son of a biscuit! Alright, don't fall over, you son of a... Alright.
Take two.
Take two, here we go. Alright, now we just stir this up. I didn't need those noodles anyways, I'd be... I don't know if much chili is actually going to fit in here. We're gonna try though. This is pretty... this is pretty full. So we'll see. Time will tell. All right, so it fits, but barely. That's a lot of food in here. So I'm gonna try to mix this up and not dump out a bunch of the chicken sausage. All right, so our enormous pot of chili and sausages is done. So I'm gonna wait just another minute or two, and I'm gonna dump this in, or as much of it as I can, in with the mac and cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks great. All right, awesome. That does not look bad at all. Again, gonna try to mix this in with the macaroni a bit here. Oh, that's all right. Hey, doesn't look too bad though. All right, bon appetit. Fantastic. All right, cheers, Ken.
Cheers.
Day number 2.
Day.
That's right. It is like 9:30. Me and Ken are thinking we're probably gonna start cooking up some breakfast. So I have some dehydrated biscuits and gravy. We brought some frozen linguiça. We each have one of these. All right, so we have our biscuits and gravy. It looks about as good as it tastes, so it looks interesting. And then this looks fantastic. Look at that, looking good. All right, let's grub. All right, we're gonna go look for somewhere a rock or something to jump off of. Just kind of looking around this big old reservoir. See if we can see anything. All right, here we go. Ken is the hat savior. All right, save my balding head. All right. All right, we'll do one more and then we're gonna probably paddle back to camp. All right, here we go. All right. That is so fun. All right, tonight we have another easy one. We have a Mexican style adobo rice and chicken. Hello. And then we have some of these delicious beans that we're gonna dump in there with it. And I brought like a handful of tortillas, so we're gonna make ourselves a couple of like little burritos. All right. It's set and rested for a while and it looks pretty darn good. So let's get our tortillas set out here and let's make a couple little burritos. All right, last night at camp, and it is a beautiful night indeed. The stars are out in full force. There's like no moon, and so it's super dark, so we can see the stars really well. But last night here, it's almost 10 o'clock. We just crawled into bed. Ken's in his tent, I'm hanging out in mine, and we are going to probably wake up nice and early and hit the road, get back to our little ladies. right. So just gonna do a walk around camp real quick, make sure we didn't leave anything behind, garbage or tools or anything of the sort. Looks pretty good so far. All right, gonna go up to my little area. And oh my gosh, my paracord. See, that's why I do it once around. All right, great. Okay, cool, got my paracord and all right, that's it, sweet. All right, that's a wrap, everyone. 2 nights out here on the beautiful Utica Reservoir with my buddy Ken. We did some fishing, some swimming, camping, hiking, all the things. There's a lot to do out here, and it's all accessible and it's all public land, so you can come out here, you can camp, you can just have a picnic with your friend, whatever you feel like doing, but come out here and explore this area. It's beautiful. Until next time, you guys, have a good one and be safe.